Grand CYO Pancho.
Yes, my brother. Good evening.
Good evening. Afozal as it goes.
Yes, my brother. You are welcome. How far?
If I will not put us soon, God bless you for the fight.
Thank you, Papa.
The problem I get on this fight now, they say the fight be one-sided. You know, say people the way they listen for music, and they like customers them for music.
Yes.
You don't overtalk one side to customer them. You never talk nothing concerning the people the way they produce the music. And I like you because you always talk about old Makosa and all those guys in those days, Maliki Bango. You know why with that music then they go far. I will call them Makosa and Cameroon. South Africa then get Ampiano, Congo then get the Arumba. That's unique. Fela start Afrobeats for Nigeria. Now why the way Nigeria is champion Afrobeats. If we ask ourselves today, say wait to do musician that is singer.
Joe,
we don't know.
Wait, ma block this person. Joe, wait, I want block some person for you first. Now my page this, so any man way you think say if you be against my preaching, I block you. Go ahead, bro.
I know go be against you.
No, I know the tongue for you. I know the tongue for you. I know the tongue for you. No, I know the tongue for you.
This boy, they say waiting. They ask this boy, then they say waiting. They sing. They don't know. They sing. They copy now from Nigeria.
I don't talk.
You sing this boy. They call it waiting Israel. Don't hear we proud of who we are now.
Yes.
You know why that music they go far? Because that music Nanjang.
Yes.
From Northwest region.
Yes.
If the boy them we go back, follow all that John Minang them, those legend them, they don't forget about our culture. We get a very rich culture in the Northwest and Southwest.
Sure.
We get Jang beats them.
Sure.
Where we take up and we even create our own. We create our own that they call like this in Jang pop. We take those Jang beats them, we make rap inside.
Sure.
We put some small vibes them for inside, we go export them and they go call and say Cameroonian music.
Sure.
We are following Nigeria because we are following. Nobody is forcing us to go to Nigeria. We are going there because we vibe with it. In those days of CRT, we look Bikusi, we be the first, so we not be like Bikusi. That way, see the come. Nigeria open market will fall inside Nigeria. Will be the buy city there. In those days, because we relate with those musics. These boys, them they don't forget side where they come out. And midi fight no be one. When we talk about the customer them, when we talk about the people them, where they play the music.
Yes.
Ask yourself, say, because Nigeria not going to remove new music today. We go to play now only old Makosa.
Okay.
We music them plenty, but new music no fit come out today. We go to play old Makosa.
Okay, ma attention
those
team.
people the way they get those bands.
Okay.
They go play those music because they know some people they like them.
Okay, ma attention
and even
team.
if you want to play 2020 today, you go play 1, 2, 3. Other one them. You go play. They can say you open club for maybe 10 or 9 p.m. in the night. You go play the first one the way they train. Who's the other one they will come out?
Okay, wait. Ma tell you some small thing, eh? Ma just educate you small on that. Now, you don't ask very good question. Say the guys the way they play the music. I believe I don't explain this thing way. If you be get ear, you go understand and fine. Now, listen. You the fry pop-off, sell them every day. You fry 100 pop-off. You go sell. You end up sell only 20. The remaining 80 pop-off, don't be not sleeping pop-off that.
Of course.
Some person they way go come buy sleeping pop-off.
Of course not.
Okay. Next day again, you throw away that 80 pop-off. Next day again, you go fry pop-off again. Let's say you don't slow now. You fry 50. You go sell only 5. No be the other 45 pop-off, they don't sleep.
Of course.
Now, I want to ask you, say true. The next day, you go get that spirit, that zeal, that love, that courage, and that finance again for still fry some other pop-off.
Of course not. But I go respond for you.
So wait. At one land. So now the same thing they happen with we will artist them because they don't already welcome that Nigeria stuff for their hate. So now they the hungry, then too they want chop. So they think say as nada Nigeria the overtrend, may they sing to like that Nigeria so that then too they go fit trend. Trust me, when my land, trust me say, if they make that 80%, if they slow down the foreign influence, they make that 80%. Listen, Cameroonian artists, they go play song. Because now, that song where they come up for outside camp for the people they are here, made the year, in no day again. They go be forced for play our own style. They go be forced for be creative. They go be forced for make record because the competition go plenty. You go hear say every day 5 songs don't come out, 10 don't come out. Every day 5 don't come out, 10 don't come out. Because with people there now, they go the yen for listening to our own song. You don't get down.
Yeah.
Because now, listen, your talk. Now, no mean that something will go be important, it go be immediate. When you say, if they say they start playing that 80 now, they play the other one the way they trend, who sounds or other sound will be. No. When they say they play 80, it don't mean say it don't end. Music don't end. It don't mean say music don't already end. That means say, they talk to me they play 80, then me they no make music again. If you talk so, that means say they like they don't talk say, may they start to play 80% now, and then may they not produce music again. No. My brother, picking they get raw music them for inside studio. Raw way if you hear them for your ear, you go tell Tizzy Panchak, they say me they go she don't quiet. But now say how they go do. They not get that name. They go excel how. They get them and they receive them every day. Because they ask them, they go tell you. But they go do how? They no go welcome them. They no go welcome them. So if it be say that 80%, it start to turn for the country. Competition go day. It go push artists and me they do music. They go to do music night to night, back to back. Tiredness no go day. Cameroon you see and so. If you play Cameroon, if you take only 5 Cameroon artists then, I beg, I want you get this sense. Est-ce you get idea? Say if you take Blanche Belly, Tizzy Panchak, Stanley Eno, Jovi, Daphne, Magasco, only that 6 artists them. You go mix only their song for one night so they finish Mano Tire. Because they get plenty beautiful song there. Now people then that way they get album more than how many songs. They get plenty beautiful song then. But because when you hear one for this side, you hear one for this side, you think say that all that. So that is the reason why we need that 80%. So that competition for production go be. If that 80%, if we all not be valued for year, competition no go be for production. Now why you see plenty company them, even for America, plenty company, they want give priority for their local companies them. So that it go employ more workers for this country and then it go make more people them. They go get that power, that competition for produce more and more. It go there inside the country. So no ever think say sometimes song no go there for play for inside club. Song they there billions upon billions, back to back. So artists confess the other day for group say, my brother, I'm a DJ. Because we go a platform for 80-20. Some DJ can confess, say, my brother, if she don't I not tell you this thing, God go punish me. I get the audio. He talks for the first time since when he do DJ. For the first time, he don't decide. He want go play for some occasion where they invite you for some marriage. He decide to take his time. He mix Cameroon music. He mix Njang, mix this new school, mix old school. That boy talk say he shock. Say he play for occasion, so he finish. No man no even dream like say. Some man can ask he say, the man change that music no? You know, put this Nigerian music or this one. Because as he finish the next one where they come, you know get you know. That means say not say they tell you say me you go talk say me they stop him. That guy talk for a group they cry. Say my brother, I take my time, I set song, I play for occasion. For something it finish for midnight. People they go, they cry, say for a life where it do show. They never ever farote so rich. Now DJ can confess for we. Say since where it do show, they never ever farote for a life reach that day where it come out for show with 270,000 francs. So you see the problem now because we know the maker like you now. You never go research for no say we get back to back music then. Even do old school Makosa. So now the problem that our artists for now we know how focus on them make music. Now why we sing at the stand against any person where they talk say tell your artist to sing. We get excellent music. If you change, if you join with Anglophone their music, Makosa, all kind thing, plus the French own, my brother will get music. So if you play you music for 1 month, no stop. The day. So now why when me, I know this focus me for that one.
I don't get much time. I want to just give my own contribution so that other people then too.
Okay.
Where they try for call me, they call. I don't.
Yes.
Yes. The thing we did in a
I bet wait. When my blog the man with the call say Shea Shivin Gem. I bet when my blog this Mr. Shea. John wait, me I block this Mr. Shea, I beg. Now that witchcraft then this way, they just did. You want to talk say, you know what happened? Niger, 90% you see, that is, now the kind of witchcraft, and you get Shea, it is showing like Cameroonian, and that lost Anglophone then this so. That Anglophone, the way they don't raise spoil them for village before they want come for town. See some fine two way people they fight, they work as so man say you know ever work. See, my block him as I no get use. My brother, go ahead, I beg.
Yes, okay. They ask me questions. If I fry for pork, then know the buy, I no go be encouraged. My answer for that question, I say, if they know the buy, you believe say the buy is on different money home. If they know the buy, because people they must chop.
No, you need to understand. No. You don't understand that point. You don't understand, my brother. Ma go now. Take and say. You did do music.
You see, if I play Popov, they know the buy. I'm still sleeping Popov. I go the throw him, and I know if he continue.
You don't get spirit.
Me, be very clear.
You know me say they need buy different people their own. I dey talk now about you. Okay, take and say you be musician.
Now you might want to respond back based on the question you ask me.
Yes.
If to say they buy 20 for me, the 80 will remain with the spoil. It means they buy the other 80 for different man. True or false?
Of course.
Okay, me, if to say I know say they buy for different man, why they need buy for me? I know if it's stop my market because I give for must survive. I'll ask myself why they buy for that man, and I go make my research, try to improve my own, so that me they buy from me. Because I don't want to see the team be so one-sided.
My brother, they know the buy. Listen to me. You know they get that wrong. They know the buy for you, not be because you need the fry pop fine. They know the buy for you, not be because you know the fry pop fine. They know the buy for you, not be because your pop no fine. Your pop be very perfect. I did just tell you, say, may you consider for normal life, say, your friend, they also buy a pop they need buy your own. You go test the pop if they find, you know, they different from your own. Truly speaking, say you go continue for the sell that pop-off. No, you go just say sometimes that pop-off fry, no be a calling.
No, but that's the way they make pop-off, you know, most than for your friend, you know.
No, well, my brother, please, this thing, this one has some very simple understanding, no. Eske you answer pop-off for your friend, then.
You know, once you meet a monkey, you want to meet any man must fall in line with your own thoughts.
You need to understand. Now say you argue the thing for no reason. My brother, they picking them. Listen, ma take a nap. When ma cut her now simply. Wait, ma cut her. Listen. Hold on. Bro. Yeah, listen. Hold on, ma just cut her for you normally. If you, for example, if you did do music, you know, say you did do music fine. And then the waves of music, it push now for different sides. You think say you go continue to do that very kind of music where you know find say people they need consumer. No, you go follow side where waves they go. Now the very thing they happen now, they picking the now they want inspired, they play na only Nigerian music because they think say now for Nigerian music when I sell, they feel say now for the way they go get their breakthrough. They feel say by playing Nigerian music, it go make people go know them.
Why are waves need to go? You don't ask yourself that question.
Why?
You be the follow waves now, so that means you sell now. According to you talk.
Where my brother? You sure say you call me? You sure say you understand what they talk so?
Right?
You sure say you understand what they talk? You sure say you understand what they talk?
I don't even want to take for the first example.
I don't already listen. We're not there for listen to me. Listen. You see, my brother. Short and simple. Listen to me. Short and simple. 80% Cameroon content and 20% foreign content. If you want convince me, now two things. Now listen, now two things. No, listen to me. Now either listen. Hold on. You don't talk palava. Where please? You don't talk palava. No, we need to argue. This listen to me. This one na my live show. We need to argue. Now either you dey in support of the 80-20 or you dey against. Which one you dey? Which no, you be just no. You never see people the way they don't call for you. Everybody way it don't call. Now people where they buy the idea and they welcome now people they. Then short and very simple. I know what me you contradict. Palava say, oh, play music, go on, play music. We'll get excellent music, then we'll get all thing. It is either you are with me or you are not with me.
I don't talk anything they don't play 80. I confirm and tell you the fight where it's started. A very good fight. Now best thing that I talk for you. If you know say you go to do 80, you know go once.
I know the debate. No. I know there for debate. We need the bargain. I know the debate. The live show now for people that for contribute how they see the palaver. It is you are with it. If you are against it,
argue idea and say me artists then go back to their roots. Was that not a proposal?
But that is good. I don't accept that for you now.
You don't ask me a question concerning something. I give a response. You don't ask me say I did sell buff. People they not buy. I did try for respond. You don't block me. You don't say you block anything where you go contrary to their view. Not correct.
No. That's why I did, my brother. Go and study. Listen. Go study. Listen. Go study. Wait. Go study. Wait till they call and say. No. Go study. Go study. Wait till they call and say revolution. When you the one make revolution for something, you need to welcome people the way they contrary to your idea. Go and study. Wait till the revolution. So for year, you know the see and say, man, answer this person, master. You make me at the talk plenty.